We live in a digital world. We rely on technology more than ever. This reliance brings new challenges. One of the biggest is keeping our digital identities safe. This is where Identity and Access Management, or IAM, comes in. IAM is crucial for any organization. It ensures that the right people have access to the right resources. It also keeps unauthorized users out. Without IAM, organizations are vulnerable. They risk data breaches and other security threats. In today's digital landscape, robust IAM solutions are non-negotiable. They are not just a luxury, but a necessity. They provide the foundation for a secure and productive digital environment. Microsoft Entra ID is a cloud-based IAM service. It helps organizations manage access to their apps and resources. These resources can be in the cloud or on premises. Microsoft Entra ID provides a single point of access. This is helpful for users and administrators. Users can access everything they need with one set of credentials. Administrators can manage user access from one central location. Think of Microsoft Entra ID as the gatekeeper to your digital kingdom. It ensures only the right people have the keys to enter and access what they need. This keeps your data safe and sound. Microsoft Entra ID is a versatile solution. It caters to a wide range of organizations. Businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, can benefit from it. Even educational institutions and non-profit organizations use Microsoft Entra ID. The beauty of Microsoft Entra ID lies in its flexibility. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Instead, it adapts to the specific needs of each organization. Whether you need to manage access for a few employees or thousands, Microsoft Entra ID can handle it. Microsoft Entra ID empowers organizations to manage their digital identities effectively. This ensures a secure and seamless experience for everyone. Microsoft Entra ID offers a free tier. This free plan provides basic identity and access management features. It's a great starting point for small businesses and organizations with limited budgets. The free plan includes features like single sign-on for up to 10 apps. It also includes basic multi-factor authentication. This means users need more than just a password to log in. This enhances security. While the free plan offers essential features, it has limitations. For example, it doesn't include advanced security features like conditional access. However, it's a great way to experience the power of Microsoft Entra ID. Next is the paid basic plan on Microsoft Entra ID Azure AD Premium P1. For organizations needing more advanced features, Azure AD Premium P1 is a step up. It builds upon the free tier, offering a comprehensive set of IAM capabilities. One of the key features of P1 is its support for hybrid environments. This means it can manage identities for users accessing resources both on-premises and in the cloud. It also includes advanced security features like self-service password reset and Azure AD Connect Health. Azure AD Premium P1 strikes a balance between cost and functionality. It's a robust solution for organizations with growing IAM needs. Secondly, let's discuss about Premium Paid Plan on Microsoft Entra ID, Azure AD Premium P2. Azure AD Premium P2 is the most comprehensive Microsoft Entra ID offering. It's designed for organizations with the highest IAM demands. It includes all the features of the free and P1 plans, plus advanced security and identity protection capabilities. Key features of P2 include Privileged Identity Management, or PM, and Azure AD Identity Protection. PIM allows organizations to manage, control, and monitor access to sensitive resources. Azure AD Identity Protection uses machine learning to detect and mitigate potential identity-based attacks. Azure AD Premium P2 provides the highest level of security and control. This makes it ideal for organizations dealing with sensitive data and facing complex security threats. Multi-Factor Authentication with Microsoft Entra ID. Multi-Factor Authentication, or MFA, adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. It requires users to provide multiple forms of authentication to verify their identity. This makes it much harder for unauthorized users to gain access. Microsoft Entra ID makes implementing MFA easy. It supports various authentication methods, such as authenticator apps, which generate time-sensitive codes that users need to enter during login, SMS or phone calls, where users receive a one-time code via text message or phone call, and hardware security keys, which are physical keys that plug into a computer's USB port and act as a second factor of authentication. By enabling MFA with Microsoft Entra ID, organizations can significantly enhance their security posture. This ensures that only authorized users can access sensitive data and resources. Single sign-on. Single sign-on, or SSO, simplifies life for users. It allows them to access multiple applications and resources with a single set of credentials. This eliminates the need to remember multiple usernames and passwords. Microsoft Entra ID acts as the central authentication point for SSO. When a user tries to access an application integrated with Microsoft Entra ID, they are redirected to the Microsoft Entra ID sign-in page. Once authenticated, they are granted access to the application without needing to log in again. SSO not only improves user experience, but also enhances security. With fewer passwords to manage, users are less likely to reuse passwords or use weak passwords. This reduces the risk of credential stuffing attacks. Identity protection. Identity protection is a feature of Azure AD Premium P2 that helps organizations detect and investigate potential identity-based attacks. It uses machine learning algorithms to analyze user behavior and identify suspicious activities. Identity protection provides risk-based insights and recommendations for remediation. It can detect suspicious sign-in attempts, compromised credentials, and other potential threats. Administrators can configure alerts and take appropriate actions to mitigate risks. By leveraging the power of machine learning, identity protection proactively safeguards organizations against identity-based attacks. It provides valuable insights and tools to strengthen security posture. Setting up Microsoft Entra ID. Setting up Microsoft Entra ID is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, sign up for a Microsoft Entra ID account. You can choose from the free P1 or P2 plan based on your needs. Next, add users. You can manually add users or synchronize them from your on-premises Active Directory. Then, create groups. Groups allow you to manage user access to resources more efficiently. After that, add applications. You can add cloud-based applications like Office 365, Salesforce, and Dropbox. Next, configure MFA and Conditional Access. Enable MFA for all users and create conditional access policies to enforce access control based on specific conditions. Once you've completed these steps, you'll have a fully functional Microsoft Entra ID environment. You can then start managing user access to your resources and implementing advanced security features like SSO and identity protection. Microsoft Entra ID is an essential tool for any organization looking to secure their digital assets and protect against cyber threats. With its comprehensive set of features, ease of use, and flexible pricing options, it's the ideal solution for businesses of all sizes. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on Microsoft Entra ID and other tech tutorials.